Whee! I want to go this way. Oh. Wait! Oh God! No. Oh. That was hardcore. I lived. Fish! Oh, damn it. Oh, damn it. Wait, I'm just gonna leave. I can't. Oh, what happened? Oh, what happened? I broke off your arms. Stop, fish! Oh. What? Super bitch mode! Where's that fish? Fool! Get the hell out of here, bitch! Super bitch Alice doesn't take anything from anyone. Well, except their life. And their teeth, apparently. Another slidey part? Oh, I guess not. Where's the new character? Are you a new character? Or are you just a giant slug? Hey! 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 Who's in here? Anyone? Hello? Hi. Save point? What? Hello? Hey, who's in here? Oh, whoa. Kitty cat!
Ah, there you are, Alice. How is the Queen of Hearts like a typhoon? Perfect.
Hell yeah! I clicked Y. Pig juice, give me that. Rose paint, what does that do? I can paint flowers. Hey, giant snail. What's that? Oh, is that me? Am I crying? Why am I crying? What happened? What on earth? What world? What? Wonderland. Oh my God, what? That kind of made me cringe a little bit. Oh, hey there, mushroom. Boing. How's there a mushroom in snow? Hey, a ship in a bottle. Oh, that looks cool. Do I find pirates? I want to find a pirate. Aw, shit. That's really far away. Oh, bunch of lameness. Slide. Boing. Not gonna fight you. Gotta get to the boat. I gotta get to the boat, dude. Oh no, oh my God, no. Oh no, 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 no. Alice, you silly, stop it. Alice, you need to fucking stop doing what you're doing. Stop being stupid. Stop it. There we go. I made it. Knock. Fish. I don't need to fight you. You don't want me to fight you, fish. I will win. Because I am a badass. Oh, bubbles. Damn it. What the fuck? How do I get... Oh. Oh! Yeah. Suck my dick, fish. Yeah. Yes. Alright, I think I'm gonna have to stop the video soon. Yeah. But the boat's right there. Oh, I have to stop it. I'm sorry. I'm gonna stop it for all of you looking at the boat.